Hello everyone, I am going to tell you in great detail about what to expect from Vallath UGC NET English Premium online course. In this exam that is coming up, we expect a lot of questions from some areas. For example, Indian knowledge systems is becoming important, literary theory and culture studies. Like that, some areas are there. In our coming course, we are going to focus on those areas and we are going to start a new method which will give more importance to revision. I will give you recordings of all the topics plus live Zoom sessions. In the Zoom sessions, we will focus more and more on revisions and getting you exam ready. Don't worry if you are a beginner or an advanced learner, this is the course for you because this is a complete course. We start from the beginning and we go to an advanced level. So, if you join the course, next question you will have is what are the timings? It is suitable for college-going students and professionals. We have classes from 7 to 8:30 in the morning and then 6 to 8 in the evening. And then you're thinking, oh, I might have to miss some days. Don't worry. We have live Zoom sessions recorded. We will also give you recordings of everything. Those who miss will be able to attend, watch the recordings and it will be sufficient. Because our method is the backstitch method. That means we will teach and then go back and revise and again go back and revise. So that is going to really help you. Another method that we use is the iceberg principle. We'll give you some information now and then we'll empower you, motivate you to read more, and then we'll do layering again, exposing you to the most important details. When is this starting? That is your next question. We are starting on July 10th and it will go up to the December exam whenever it is. Not only that, because of lifetime access, this one course you can use for other exams. Again, if you want to write for JRF, you will be able to get it because you have the recordings. And we cover both papers 1 and 2. We do it in a very fun manner. We'll make you enabled or empowered to do things on your own. We have a lot of books, 24 books. We have lots of PDF material on every class. Now there is a problem. Some of you already have books. Don't worry. If you already have books, you can join without books. Without books, it will be 5,000 rupees less. That's a lot. So this PDF, this printed materials, all these things will help you prepare for other exams also. It is like in Vallath, one course, many exams. Now when you attend lectures, you will be worried. Will I be able to answer questions? What type of questions will come? Don't worry, we have a lot of topic-wise quizzes. We have model tests. For everything, you will be able to revise. There will be so many questions, guys. So many questions. So if you study like this, what will happen? You will pass NET with JRF for sure. That is the top level exam in the discipline, isn't it? Wherever you go, you will be able to say, I have cleared this exam. And then there is something, if you get JRF this time while you do the course, you will get 100% tuition fee refund. You will walk away with the entire tuition fees in your hands. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful, isn't it? Now, there is another offer. Until June 15th, there is the early bird offer. If you join now, you will be able to avail that offer as well. So think about it. Check out the link given with the video and you can call us. Our number is also here. You can just take an informed decision and do not miss this bus because this is the bus that will take you to your destination, which is a glorious career. Our only one aim is your career. You should know the subject thoroughly so that you will pass many exams. You will be able to have a great career. That is our only aim. Join us and you will never regret it. See you in the course.